Hey, we are doing some videos on top complaints about contractors. This came about as a result of a lot of painters in the Chicagoland area getting together last week at the Chicago Gathering of Painters. We kind of get to get together and try and make us better as businesses and as an industry. And so one question I had for everybody was top complaints. So the third, fourth, kind of depends on who you ask, but one of the other top complaints is about contractors not calling people back. And I 100% understand that one, because trying to get plumbers to call back or people doing septic or well in our house has been tricky. But when you get into it, it's kind of average paint contractor is kind of the same thing with cost. Average paint contractor is about 1.5 people, so either a single or two-person operation. If they're doing the estimate, they're doing the work, getting materials to and from job sites, plus doing other estimates. When and if they can get you a call back, it's while they're eating lunch, because that's when I used to call people back. Maybe in the car, but that gets more tricky. A lot of towns have issues and regulations about talking on the phone. Even with the Bluetooth, there's some issues here in Illinois at least. In the process of painting and doing everything else, between wife, kids, there's a lot of calls to make. And I hate to make it an excuse, but it's just the reality of there's only so much time in the day, and we want to be able to provide a great experience for people, and part of the experience is calling, answering questions, making sure you know when we're coming, that kind of thing. We're fortunate that I have my wife in the office, our office manager, but even though she's in the office, she also has other things and projects she's working on. We have our non-for-profit Camp Cedar for sexually abused victims, which takes a lot of time, and she does a lot of work with prison ministry, helping women in prison as they kind of are there, coming out, that kind of thing. So she has their non-for-profits that we believe in to help out in the community. So there's just so much time that we have, and I know personally I average right around 40 to 60 calls a day. Sometimes it's even worse. It's not very less than that, but we get a lot of calls in a given day. So returning them can be challenging. You're out and about, getting estimates on time, checking on job sites, calling crews, ordering materials. It gets to be a lot. So it's not that we don't want to call you, it's just there's only so much time. So I know I have my checklist of things I need to do, and I write down who we need to call and when during the course of the day. We try and answer as fast as possible. It's just not always 100% possible. So if contractors aren't calling you back right away, kind of give them a little grace, because usually they don't have people in the office working for them. That's the best answer I can get for you. But I don't know. That's it. I'll talk to you guys.